If Chrome is not saving your passwords on Windows 11 or Windows 10, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that should help Chrome start saving your login details again. This is a really common issue, and it can happen because password saving is turned off, a site was accidentally added to never saved, cookies are blocked, or corrupted cache is interfering with Chrome's behavior. So if you've been frustrated because Chrome keeps asking you to sign in but never offers to save the password, stay with me and I'll show you exactly how to fix it. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner and click the three dots menu. From the drop-down, click Settings. This opens Chrome's main settings area where we can adjust the password options that control how Chrome saves logins. Now in the left side menu, click Autofill and the passwords. This section is where Chrome stores and manages your saved login information. From here, click Google Password Manager. This is the built-in password management system that Chrome uses to handle saved passwords across websites and devices. If Chrome is not saving passwords properly, this is the first place you should check. Inside Google Password Manager, click Settings. Here you want to make sure the option offer to save passwords is turned on. If this is off, Chrome will not prompt you when you log into a website, which means it will never ask whether you want to save that password. Turn that on so Chrome can start offering to save your passwords again. While you are still in these settings, also make sure Sign In automatically is enabled. This helps Chrome automatically sign you into websites using saved credentials, which makes the whole process smoother and more reliable. Once both of these options are enabled, Chrome should be ready to save passwords again when you log into supported websites. Next, go back inside Password Manager and look for any section labeled Declined Sites and Apps or Never Saved. These are websites where you previously told Chrome not to save the password, or where the browser may have remembered that choice. If the website you are having trouble with appears in this list, remove it from there. This is important because Chrome will usually stop offering to save passwords for websites that were previously marked as never saved. Removing the site resets that behavior and gives Chrome another chance to ask you again the next time you sign in. After that, we need to check your cookie settings because blocked cookies can sometimes interfere with password saving and sign-in behavior. Go back to the main Chrome settings, then click Privacy and Security. From there, open third-party cookies. Make sure cookies are allowed or at least set in a way that does not block the websites you use for login. If cookies are blocked too aggressively, Chrome may have trouble remembering sessions and saving login data. Enabling cookies can often solve password saving issues that seem unrelated at first. Now let's clear any corrupted browser cache because damaged cached files can also cause Chrome to behave strangely. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure cached images and files is selected. Then click Delete Data. This step removes old browser files that may be interfering with how Chrome stores password prompts or login information. After the cache is cleared, restart Chrome and test the website again. Now try signing into the website where Chrome was not saving the password before. Enter your username and password, then see if Chrome prompts you to save it. If the prompt appears, choose Save, and Chrome should now remember it correctly. If it still does not appear, double check that Offer to Save Passwords is on. The site is not listed under Never Saved, cookies are allowed, and the cache has been cleared. In many cases, one of these simple fixes is enough to get Chrome working again. The key is to go step by step because the issue may not be Chrome itself, but rather a setting or stored browser data that is preventing password prompts from showing up. If this tutorial helped you fix Chrome not saving passwords on Windows 11 or Windows 10, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.